Hello everybody, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today I'm showing you the 2025 250 Grand Mariner from Harris. Nice black exterior paired with the black railings. This one's got the color matched black power tower as well. You have your stainless steel safety rails with your bumper holders. This Grand Mariner is paired with the Mercury joystick system, a 400 horsepower Mercury outboard engine, the upgraded lily pad ladder. Walking back to the bow here. Lights are beautifully built and integrated into the front of the boat. This one's got the gray flooring, the tungsten seating that is pillow topped. You will see the wood grain. That is an added feature. Super deep center storage, armrests on the corners. You have your chase end table that will pop out. This is the single helm with the sun lounger, multi-positional backrest in the back. These seats back here are also multi-positional. Will fold up so you can face forward. Better view of the safety chains. Dual SIMRAD screen, JL audio, the integrated joystick system. This boat will hold 14 people. Again, this is the 2025 250 Grand Mariner from Harris. My name is Lucas, and give me a call here at Lake of the Ozarks MarineMax.